We're in the Volcano National Park of Hawaii now. We're gonna explore this whole place. So first we're gonna check out this massive crater, is what the sign says. Super easy walk. This doesn't feel like a hike, this feels like a stroll down to the park.
It's too bad it's misty.
Oh man, this is huge.
Is there lava underneath that crest?
Yes, deep underneath though, I think.
How deep?
I don't know, there's signs. They'll probably tell us. Steam vents! I hope the camera actually picks up the steam coming out because it's cool.
I'm pretty sure it's still actually. Yeah. Dennis, did this one go off when we were here?
A week after we left or so.
That's crazy.
So last time we were here, we were literally in between two eruptions, so we didn't see any lava.
So sad.
What if it erupted while we're here?
That would be so sick.
Pretty sick.
I don't feel any heat coming from this. Oh wow. Is it just a drop off, TJ?
Yep.
Yeah.
Careful. I'll dare you to go down. Pass. Ooh,
fuck,
this is even
dude.
clearer. This is sick. You can see like the blacker rock.
You guys want a Titanic photo?
Oh. Heck yeah.
It also cleared up, like it's easier to see around.
Claimed you. A bug tried to go in my ear.
Oh man, okay.
Go to the dock.
Okay, we drove to another viewpoint. Let's check it out. And then we're gonna go and do some more exploring. I don't know what to expect. We're just spending all day here. Isn't that right, TJ?
Yee-hoo!
Whatever, you Maui. I like it.
The girls are taking forever. As usual.
Tour guides here? Couldn't be us. This place is so busy though. So how am I gonna get a view here? Maybe if I just squeeze through right here. Yeah, we can really see the crater from here, the line right there, and down. Just overheard a tour guide say this is the largest volcano crater in the world. Getting that intel for you. Okay, we checked out the first thing. We saw the largest crater in the world, if the guy was telling the truth. We're gonna keep driving and see what else we can find. So this is a really cool hike because right there you can see a trail and you walk along a crater. Okay, we're sending it. We're going down the crater rim trail.
I'm gonna go in. Just kidding, I'm not doing that. Nope, I'm definitely not doing that.
That's so cool, isn't it? Man, it goes deep.
I don't know.
What? We're heading down the crater now.
I like my collection.
Close to popping out a few times.
It's beautiful. It won't be horrendously difficult to go back up either.
This is a good place to, I think, take a group picture.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Sulfide.
We've made it to the crater.
Died. Magma right.
This is sick. Hey crew.
So many people in my photos.
Actually, this is today.
We're walking in a volcano. This is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Eat them. I want to look at them though. They look like cherries. This is so cool. That is wicked. I wonder what this is. It's like it shows how it dried in the past.
Look at the lichen stuff. up.
Well, just the fact there's lichen here tells me the eruption was a very long time ago.
Yeah.
Lichen takes so long to grow. Super cool right here. It's like kind of golden, a lot like it was in the lava tunnels. That's so sweet. Kind of shows the drawing of the magma and then how it flowed underneath.
It actually occurs.
Cool.
Thank you, Dennis.
Look at this flower. That's so nice and cool. Fluffy.
Whoa. It's like fog moving very fast.
It is, with the wind and the drizzle of it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna walk up that side of the crater, and then from there go all the way back around to where the parking lot was, which concludes this hike. So let's get it. Okay, we made to the end of the crater. Look at all that. It's super cool. Now we gotta go back up there, and what's kind of neat is on the very other side of this, there's another crater. It's that massive one again. So that's pretty cool. Let's grind up there, see if we can get a view of it. Back to the parking lot, because we have a lot more to see. This side of the trail to go up is endless stairs. Big ones too. Whew. Probably doesn't help. I'm trying to run up them. And we're on top of the stairs. Whew. Thoughts?
Say it again.
Huh?
Huh? Hello, how's it going?
Oh, good.
Dennis left us.
We've been abandoned.
We've been abandoned by our YouTuber friend.
Yeah. Father is gone.
This is gonna make it in the video. It better.
Better.
Otherwise,
Oh my god, Dennis fell down the mountain. We have to finish the YouTube video for him. And we don't know how to use a GoPro. Is it even on? I don't know. When do you know when it's on?
Oh no.
The red line means it's happy. Is it happy? He's a good boy. Does that mean
Hey.
it's on or it's off?
It's majestic, hair bouncing, heel clicking.
Okay, let's check out Byron Ledge Trail. It's like 0.1. It's gonna be right over there. It's gonna be pretty cool though, I hope, because it's that massive crater we get to look at. Look at that walk too. Gorgeous. Okay, we're here. There's no viewpoint, but there is that massive crater. Let's just work our way back to the parking lot for our next destination. And we're in the parking lot. It's windy and sunny. It's a lot different here. Oh, your hat fell. Okay, let's go check out Petroglyphs Kilauea Trail. 0.7 miles. It's so windy here. Woo! There's scratch marks in the rock right there, but I don't know if that's like something natural or not. see the flow pattern here of the lava, the magma, as it's pouring. Just up ahead is our destination. Pretty excited to see it. It's like a boardwalk loop, I guess, to look around the petroglyphs. The spirit of Puuloa now surrounds you. Honor the profound importance of Puuloa and its petroglyph holds for many native Hawaiians, past, present, and future. Respect the importance by staying on the boardwalk so that the stories may live forever. Ancient Hawaiian culture lacked a written language. The petroglyphs you see here provide a glimpse into the lives of those early Hawaiian people, their life experiences, their struggles, and their success. Some of these petroglyphs can be recognized as human forms, animals, or canoes. Other, more abstract, their meaning complex, sacred, or known only to their creators, who hold the secrets of their true meaning. Which petroglyphs can you identify, and what meaning do they hold to you? Looks like there's one here. There's a dot, 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 and a circle. And right over here, this one kind of looks like a bird, at least to me. Right over there.
I think that one looks more like an arrow.
Or an arrow, I guess, yeah.
An arrow?
Chat, zoom in. Oh, right here, there's a person.
Cool.
So it's easy to tell.
Look, that whole patch right there has a whole bunch.
Yeah, there's a bunch of different carvings right there.
Don't go nowhere.
Big old spiral circles there.
Right here looks like a target.
A target? Oh yeah, it's like that big one right there.
Oh yeah.
There's one person at that rock, two, and then 3, 4 over in that. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Yeah, a bunch of these rocks over here. According to this sign here, each one of these dots represents a child of a family, and they'll put the, how's it pronounced, the umbilical cord in there. I mean, I guess that probably gets fed by a bird or something. That's kind of cool. And most of them, out of the 23,000 petroglyphs found, 16,000 at least are related to these kind of carvings. Here's some more of these dots, and there's a really fancy one right there. Look at that here. And then it's surrounded by a bunch of other dots. Some dots over there. A few more over there. Like, I'd feel if you looked around there, you'd 100% find stuff.
Yeah, I don't want to go over there because I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
Circle there.
Oh, yeah, right there, circle.
Couple more dots.
Oh, this one.
That's sweet.
There's a bunch over there.
Right here is like that.
Some over there. But people were cool too. Look at this rock. Bunch of circles carved in. Ah, so much stuff. There's a person right here. So many carvings of this one.
Keeps going too.
Yeah, this whole place is carved up. This is all filled with dimples.
Wow. So cool. More items.
Yeah, here too. Yeah, definitely the most popular one. Looks like there's a person over there.
Oh, I see that.
Hard to tell. We walked right past these ones.
Look, this one looks like a vase.
Oh yeah, totally. What does it mean?
Right?
This is one that's big.
Looks like someone carved with
Yeah, but I don't recognize. What's it say? Another stop. Massive waves here. They look so big. Oh. Wow. Okay, final stop of Volcano National Park. We're checking out the arch. Ain't that right, TJ? Hey, yeah.
Yeah, so many times.
Holy Sea Arch. This way. Oh, there is the Sea Arch. Woo.
See? Arch.
Ha. It's pretty cool. Okay, we saw the arch. We're all very hungry. We're gonna go eat some food.
I'm hungry.
Okay, that was Volcano National Park. We're calling it a day. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna find some food.